I'm going to show you how satisfying these are. Okay, so pop tube. Okay, it. Keychain.
I meant dimple spinner, sorry.
Sorry, guys. That's on close. Okay, ball spinner. DIY. So, and this one you can actually just crumble it up. Just makes a satisfying noise. And now this. So, I made this one with a packet that's at the 99-cent store. Also, it has instant snow and a big balloon. You just have to put water in it. You close it with a parent, or if you could do it, give it a knot. And I decided to draw on it, so this is my side. And this is my dad's side. But this is DIY, even if you guys don't think so. It's this is a big stretch ball. I made it on my own. So bye, guys. So guys, I hope you liked today's video so much. Please leave a comment. Please leave a comment, like, and turn on the bell for whenever for whenever I post a new video. So bye, guys. Have a great day.